How to fix Windows 11 games not opening. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Windows games not opening. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your registry editor. So you can search for registry editor in your Windows search bar and open it up. After you open up your Windows registry editor, here you will see different folders. The one that you want to press on is HKey classes root, and there will be a little drop down button. Tap on it. Now here you will see a lot of different folders. So all of these are arranged in alphabetical orders. First, we'll search for this exe folder. Make sure that it's .exe. You can just open it up and press on it, and there you will see different options. Now, if you just select this exe file, you'll get these two different options and files. So tap on this default option where you will need to make sure that the value for this data is exe file. If it's not, change it to exe file and then hit OK. After you do that, scroll down again and scroll down until you find another folder called exe. Now it's just exe and without the dot. So search for exe. All of these are arranged in alphabetical order as I said. And after you tap on this exe folder, just select this and you'll get three different options. Here, select default, double tap on it, and make sure the value for this data is application. After you change it to application, hit OK, and then finally restart your computer once, and then your problem will get fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.